Hello guys, today I'll be talking about Recon NG tool, which is a very powerful tool nowadays, which is widely used for finding information gathering. This is actually an information gathering tool, which is widely used for finding information of any companies, any profiles, or any kind of, say whatever we are using nowadays, the things we can find the weaknesses on them, and also this is widely used for a pen tester engineer as well. So this is once again let me read what is the recon ng so that you will be little more you will be clarified about this thing. So recon ng is a full featured reconnaissance framework designed with the goal of providing a powerful environment to conduct open source web-based reconnaissance quickly and thoroughly. That it is an open source tool basically, means it has no money, we don't have to invest any money, it is open source, anyone anybody can use. And for the ethical hacking purpose, Recon NG has a look and feel similar to the Metaxploit framework. It is just like a Metaxploit framework. Let me tell you all about the Metaxploit framework. It is basically exploitation framework. After whatever we are finding information about the things, we are finding the weaknesses that we are exploiting with the help of Metaxploit framework, which is reducing the learning curve for leveraging the framework. However, it is a quite different. Recon ng is not intended to compete with existing framework, and as it is designed exclusively for web-based open source reconnaissance. If you want to exploit, use Metaxploit framework. Okay, I have already said about that Metaxploit. Now, if you want a social engineer, use social engineer toolkit. If you want a contact reconnaissance, use recon ng. That means reconnaissance means finding information, finding all information, all possible information, finding all possible information. Today, I'll be giving the tutorial about how the recon ng we can use for finding the information and all etc. All the things I will include, and how the command works with the help of Kali Linux. So let's go to the Kali Linux. First of all, I need to use root for login. Now, so I'm in terminal now. Let me zoom in so that if I want a little more zoom, so I will zoom a little more. Okay, now let's write recon ng as a command. When we write recon ng, just enter, press enter. We'll get things, yeah, like that. So now recon ng has been started. You can see here that the version is 5.1.2. Now we need to type here marketplace. First of all, we have to type here marketplace search. Here you can see that we are getting lot of marketplace, that is workspaces, including like you can see disclosure cache, like contacts, domain names, host, contact abc, any like any breach, any who is proxies, that is. And you can see there are lot of marketplaces there. So if you want to search like for which purpose we have to use for whatever we are using site, like for reporting we have to use another things, and for finding contacts we will be using another thing, and for finding profiles of like any Instagram or any kind of things we have to use another things, and for finding websites we will be using different workspaces. So like that we can search for that, we have to use modules search. Now you can see here module search. When I write module search, Here for discovery I mean for information gathering. So there are two workspaces, that is discovery slash info, disclosure cache snoop, discovery info, disclosure interesting files, whatever the interesting file in the website or any kind of domain you can get there. Then for exploitation purpose, we can use exploitation injection command injector, exploitation injection xpatch bruter. And for import, whatever we want to import like csv file list or mass scan and map, we can use these all three workspaces. Then for recon, we can use company for contact list, and domain names we can use this. There are various domain names for different websites, and there are a lot of things you can see here. uh, One by one, if you read, then you will get almost all the things. Now here domain names, host, google site, web, whatever we are searching in google site, whatever they are providing, you can get from there. And Shodan is for IP addresses. We can means I mean we can find any website like desktop IP address within the another countries as well. If someone is sitting in another country and he is using one desktop version and he is opening, his login and opening his PC, then you can get his IP with the help of Shodan IP. You can get his login ID and password as well, and the profilers like that. And for reporting purpose, there are different workspaces as well: reporting csv, reporting html file, json file list, proxy filer, pushpin, xlsx, xml file. Now I will use few workspaces which is basically used nowadays, which is very basic. So I'll be using marketplaces, marketplace search Whois, which is very famous nowadays. Whois means this is basically, suppose if I write google.com, if I write abc.com, then it will be saying that it will be giving us the result like domain names resulting with some IP addresses, and where it is located, what is the address of that I mean particular the things. So like that. Wait a second. Hmm. You can see here there are 4 to 5 workspaces like recon companies, domain views, reverse views, companies multi who's minor, companies who is proxy, companies who is POX, and all organizations who is whatever the organizations companies, how they have like sub companies and all like that it will show. And you can say a status it is installed. So first of all, for installing, if you want to install the workspaces, at a first the workspaces were not installed. So for installing, you can simply write. Once again, I will show you. For mine, it is already installed, so I will not write already installed. So if you want to install marketplace, install all, you can write, okay, like that it will install. Suppose if I write, you can see it is getting installed. You can see here it is getting installed. It will be installing all the modules. You can see workspaces and all. One by one, it will be installing all the things. Everything, whatever you are whatever your needs. I mean, for finding information related to companies, related to profiles, related to any organizations, you can find from here only. Related to websites, related to HTML text files, anything related to location as well. You can see here one by one. Twitter, YouTube, ports scan, GitHub users, like profiler Twitter, what is the repositories and all, vulnerabilities and all, HTML list. So these all are getting installed. Now you can see here how it's working. Now if I write here, let me clear let me clear suppose if I create workspaces Chandan, workspaces create Chandan. Now you can see here we have right now we have created the workspaces with the name Chandan. Now I will write here marketplace search crawler. Now this is very important tool crawler, that is Metacrawler. Metacrawler recon domains contact Metacrawler. I mean if you write like here modules load, and if you write this one, this workspace, you hit enter, then you can see here after Chandan. Wait a second, let me move little bit down. Yeah. Otherwise you people can't see what I'm writing. So let me move a little. Yeah. Now if I write here, I've already loaded. Now if I write here options set source, suppose if I write any website name, suppose if I write any website name like any website name like shadi.com, like suppose if I write jivansathi.com, right? Any website you can choose, no problem. You will get all the PDF files, whatever the things related to this. Suppose if I write jivansathi.com here, www.jivansathi.com, if I write here, you paste here. Now it is set. Now if I run this, you can see here whatever the whatever the PDF files, whatever the things related to with shadi.com, whatever the insider things we can get PDF files, all the PDF files related to the jivanshadi.com we can get from here. Now if I search from here, you can see here now copy, and if I search here, you can see here copy link. I have copied the link. Now if I search here, you can see how the things are opening. Now if I two files found on jivansathi.com, here it is saying okay, right link. Now if I search here, Up here, if I open the link, you can see. Wait a second. Let me unset this one. Let me show you some another website. No. Now you can see now. Wait a second. Now we'll set another website. Options, set source, www.facebook.com. Now if I run, you can see lot of activity, lot of PDF files, whatever the things are coming, like whatever it is related with the whatever the vulnerability weakness things is coming, it is coming here. Now if I open the link, if I copy the link and if I open in Chrome, we will be seeing. Okay, you can see here it is getting downloading. Automatic it is getting downloading. You can see here the things is coming here automatic in anything. Now suppose if I open any link related to with this, like educators download lessons, healthy relationships and all, like activity lessons, whatever the PDF files, I mean in Facebook's, whatever the things credits Facebook, like, well, it will be automatic coming in a PDF form. So likewise you can directly download any PDF form which is little bit which is having weakness or any kind of vulnerability in the websites. You can do like this. You can use the Meta Explorer, Meta Chloral, that is Meta Crawler. With the help of this you can find the information. Now suppose if I clear this and if I wrote, then again you can see here PDF file is downloading of 12 MB. Automatically it is getting downloading. You can see something like Chinese and all, something like. So likewise you can find the information gathering. Now if I suppose, let me show you some other thing. Now if I go to back, okay, now if I write marketplace search quiz, okay, and if I write modules load with the name, whatever the workspace name, module name, if I write okay, if I write here, okay. Now if I say options, set source abc.com, right? And if I run, you can see here something broken it is saying, like, so we can use another contact. Let me modules load whatever the contact, it will give the contact and options. Unset, I have to use unset. Suppose option set source abc.com. Now run. Now you can see here there are etc, that means, I mean, whatever the website name it is coming, any associated with the email id is also coming, and the first name, last name, middle name, and where is the location, region, who is contact, and then like what are the sub websites and subdomain names, like that it is coming, abc@ab.bc.com. United States is saying so many CDCA and all lot of contact and domain names are coming. So likewise, you can go for Recon NG like for finding the things. And lastly, I will do one more workspaces related to that. That is for profiler. Let me Control C so that I can, yeah. Now market module search. Let me go for profiler. Let me write modules load whatever I have chosen. I will be pasting here. Okay. Now I will set some options. Set source, any name like Instagram. In Instagram, any name you can write like company name, like scl.com. Once again, I write scl.com. Now you can see here checking the data for SCL. SCL is 7 cup enemy planet. With SCL name in Instagram, there are lot of name with the company name SCL. There are different names in Instagram, in any profile like Instagram or anything, any like Facebook or any profile you can say. The Audio Jungle, Book Crossing, Champion Net, Cloudfire, CNet, Corofloat, Code Wars. There are different names for SCL.com. You can see, and like here you can see resource, that is URL. It is showing casting call.club scl.com. It is a subdomain name of scl.com only. So if I want to search this name in Google, you can search here. You can see here there are a lot of things. So SCL here is the father of this casting call club. SCL is the provider, so that's why it's a subdomain name and all. So likewise, you can find different subdomain names, information about them, and contact list, where it is situated, and all, a lot of things, a lot of information you can find from Recon NG tool. So I hope you all found that Recon NG is a very powerful tool for information gathering and all. So thank you guys. Likewise, I will be daily uploading, and we in a weekly I will be uploading this tutorials for cybersecurity field. So for ethical hacking purpose. So thank you all guys. Thank you for the day. See you soon.